Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Gameloop version and the Android base because compatibility matters. Once you know that, back up the virtual device and user data immediately. Next, download the exact Android system image that matches the emulator's CPU ABI and Gameloop build so you avoid runtime crashes. While downloading, make sure you have ADB and platform tools ready on your path, and enable write access to the emulator image folder. This prevents permission errors during flashing. You will now stop Gameloop and move the new Android image into the emulator's install path, because running while replacing files corrupts images. Once done, use ADB Fastboot or Gameloop's emulator manager to flash or replace the system. IMG and vendor. IMG and monitor logs for errors. Make sure to preserve user data. IMG or export installed apps first, that keeps your settings intact. If the manager offers a migration option, choose it. Otherwise, manually copy app data back. After flashing, you finish by booting the updated emulator and clearing the Dalvik or ART cache so the runtime rebuilds optimized code. This avoids slow first runs. Then test critical games, input mapping, and performance counters to confirm the Android version behaves as expected. If something fails, make sure to revert using your image backup or reflash the previous stable image. This is faster than chasing obscure errors. Quick tip: if apps crash, check Logcat for native ABI mismatches. That tells you if the image matches your apps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.